You can customize your box office and event pages to represent your brand and use it just like a website. Your Ticket Tailor box office is where all of your organization's events will be listed. Think of it like your online ticket shop your customers can visit. Whether you're running a family farm attraction, a cutting-edge gallery, or putting on show-stopping live events, you can customize a stunning online home for your event's brand in minutes. To start designing your custom box office, open Box Office Settings. Then, open Box Office Design. In the designer, you can start by toggling through the default theme options using the arrows. You can further customize the design by opening the Customize Styles toggle. Here, you can use the color picker or enter an HTML color hex code to adjust the colors within the theme. You can also customize the fonts for event headers and body text. Under the logo header, you can upload a custom logo for your box office. You can see where it will be displayed on the top left of your box office page. You can also customize the header links in the top nav of your box office. You can choose whether to display a store or contact link and enter custom text for both. You can also toggle on social media icons and enter the URLs for your social accounts so that they're displayed on your box office page. Next, toggle to the Listings page tab, where you can further customize your theme layout. You can add a title, description text, and upload custom header images to suit your brand. You can choose to enable or disable search on your listings page and customize which filters and search options are available, including filtering by date or venue. Finally, toggle to the Event Page tab to adjust the layout for your event header banners. Once you're happy with your design, make sure to click Publish Changes.